Nation, listen, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button with that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post. Look, y'all, I got my 2021 Widebody Scatpack here. Like I said, if you're new to my channel, I'm gonna go ahead and ask y'all this question. Should I take the wrap off? Yes or no? Comment down below. Some days it's like I'm kind of bored with the wrap. I went through looking at old pictures and I'm starting to kind of miss the hell-raising color. If you don't know, up under the wrap the car is a hell-raising purple. I'm gonna post that picture up right here. I'm kind of ready for something new. Listen, I love this wrap, don't get me wrong. I had this wrap planned out even before I got the car. When I finally got it on, it was very exciting, but now I'm ready for something more, or I don't know, I think I could just switch up something on here. But y'all comment down below in the comment section and let me know. So what is up, everybody? Slime Pack Nation. Listen, I'm in Fayetteville, North Carolina right now. I was trying to give y'all a good POV video, but it's shaking too much for me, and I don't like that. Right now I'm recording on my iPhone. I'm recording on my old iPhone. This is the iPhone 11. My iPhone 12 Pro Max is right here. I need this for, you know, business. But I'm recording in my iPhone 11 Pro. I think it's in 4K, 60 frames right now. Like I always say, y'all, you do not need a fancy camera to do YouTube. You do not need an iPhone to do YouTube. As long as your camera recording good quality, you good. So yeah, let's open up this exhaust a little bit. That I can out of this day. So hopefully whatever I get to bring y'all enjoy, because listen, I got the camera faced this way, but I do have on my work clothes. I'm going to work after the meet. I'm trying to push out more videos. Last week I gave out 4 videos. This week I'm gonna try to do 5 videos, but if I don't, hey, don't hold me to my word. I said I'm going to try to do 5 videos. So hopefully I can link up with somebody and we can get some content going. So make sure y'all go ahead and like this video, drop a green emoji. When the video is over, we'll come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing this slime. I'm about to waste a lot of gas. So some of us is out here at car wash. Y'all already know who that is. Make sure y'all go follow him. What's up, Jay?
What's up?
Go ahead, shout it out. Hold on, let me get you in a good lighting. Come around there. Go ahead.
Hey, y'all know who it is, JTV. Make sure y'all follow Slime. Don't play with Slime. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, JTV. Make sure y'all follow me on YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe.
What we getting into tonight?
We got to go to a car meet. Dumpling. We getting active tonight.
Man, you got that thing shining. Hey, low key, that black bumper hit.
Yeah.
It hit with it. It make it.
At first I wasn't gonna leave it, and then like everyone was like, "You should leave it." I was like,
It's different.
Yeah,
Watch people gonna start doing that. Watch. Tell them you did it first by mistake.
Yeah, for real.
Smooth Hemi.
Yo, man.
Hold, let me get you some good lighting.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Hey, man.
Alright.
Hey, man. Say, man, it's your boy Smooth Hemi 392. You know what's going on. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my girl Slime Pack 392. Because you're doing a giveaway, right?
Yeah, I'm doing a giveaway. Yeah.
GoPro 9. She said you gotta be a subscriber.
Right?
You gotta leave a comment.
Buy.
The
most important thing they gotta buy.
Y'all buy from Slime. Stop playing with Slime. We over here cleaning our cars. But make sure y'all go subscribe to my channel, SmoothHemi_392. 500 subs, 4 giveaways. 4 people. Hold on. 4 people go get a free giveaway.
Right?
4 people. 500 subscribers.
Y'all, he don't got on his work clothes. He out here relaxing.
Relaxing and maxing. Cleaning my baby off.
What you gonna get into tonight? You doing anything?
We gonna see. Hey, Ozzy. We gonna see.
Hey man, what's good? You know, hey, you know it's Ozzy in the building.
Hold on, Oz, let me get you in that good light.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
You know, I got a little fresh today. Look, we out here, man, shake the block shit. You know what I'm saying? You see what we doing? You know, Slime. You know, got the YouTubers out here. I ain't a YouTuber, man. I'm an OnlyFanner, man. I'm playing.
Hey, they about to cancel out that
they
porn.
they gonna cancel my subscription on October 1st. I'm mad. You know what I'm saying? Hey, but yeah, hey, we out here. Hey, we out here though, you know what I'm saying? Hey, stay tuned for the new rap, man, for real. And it's gonna be one of the best RTs I've been doing, so you know what I'm saying?
So you ain't doing what you said before?
Nah, you know, I'm
gotta put a watch in.
I'm gonna build up. I'm gonna build up on it, man. I feel like I want a sleeper, man. You know, everybody got a scat, you know what I'm saying? So I want to be the opposite. You know, I want to pull up in a sleeper and everybody think, oh, it's a Hemi. Yeah, all right, good see. I ain't gonna speak on too much, man. I don't speak too much, but y'all see, man. Hey, y'all keep following Slime Pack, you know, Jam and JT, you know. Hey, shake the block. We out here. Hey, tonight we get active.
Say we is.
Active.
He got the tire shine all on the tires. My car it's semi-clean.
Why is you commenting on my car?
I just told him you got the tire shine on there.
Oh yeah.
I told him my car is semi-clean.
Hey,
That's it.
I got my lemon pepper stepper.
Ooh.
My lemon
Yo,
pepper.
what's that? Hey, don't let me put a mean with it. Let's see how I did Gills.
My lemon pepper stepper. Hey. Nah, that was funny. Actually, he said, I said, that had me weak when I watched that.
You want to say something on YouTube?
I don't know what to say right now.
Shout out your channel. I mean your Instagram.
Certified_Johnson. Follow at me, get at me. Hit me up with the detailing too. I do detailing. No limits. No limit details. Come see us, you know what I'm saying? Come see us.
Gotcha. Alright y'all, this right here is a little quick change in the scenery. I used to have like a professional intro whenever I had Slime. This right here is the guy who did it. He hit me up while I was at the car wash, asked me to get some rollers. What camera is that? Sony what?
A73.
The A7 III. Real professional.
Some suction cutting out right here.
You want to shout out your business?
I mean, I'd love to. It's Lamontac Productions. You know, I mostly do car stuff, but I'll do any other videos. I mean, you set the right price, I got you, you know?
All right. Where can they find you at?
Lamontac Productions at, or no, I think that's something else, my bad. My Instagram's Lamontac Productions and Facebook. Just Google it, it'll pop up on the websites.
I'll pop it up there on the screen for them.
Oh yeah, appreciate it, man.
So, you know, you don't need nobody to ride with you or drive you around while you hold the camera.
Because, before I have to wait, you know, rely on people. But this is just easier. You set it up, I got the screen on the inside, which I'll show you in a second.
Real professional. Listen, y'all, he got so much professional gear right here. You got the camera set up on the outside. Coming to the inside, he controlling it on a screen.
Yep, got this little screen here. See a little better. Gotta adjust the color on the camera a little bit, but right. There's a little tweaking because it's a little stiff right now. But
one man job.
Oh, yeah.
Which usually take people, what, about 2 to 3?
Sometimes a full team, but
full production team.
oh yeah.
Hey, let's do it, man. Yes, sir. Whole lot of Kelly shit. Y'all know what the fuck going on.
Hey, Kelly, Kelly, Kelly.
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
let's do it. That's it. Hey,
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 hey.
I got them bitches.
You must be a subscriber. Like, come on, you can't jump on this train for free. You gotta be a subscriber. Number 2, you gotta go to scarpack.store and get anything off the website. Purchasing whatever on the website will automatically enter you into the database to win the camera. Also, enter in your email. I think it automatically requires you to enter your email, so you will receive your tracking order and everything for when you order the t-shirts. So that's how I will be contacting you by email. There will be a video saying that I have picked the winner. Number 3. What's number 3? Just comment on every video, watch every video, like every video. That's all I ask. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, go to slimepack.store and purchase anything off the site. I need y'all support just like y'all need my support. Watch, like, and comment on every video. That's all I ask.